Santa Ynez, the heart of our beautiful valley, known for its ranches, vineyards, and wide open spaces, is showing some interesting patterns in the housing market this week. Whether your property overlooks rolling hills or sits in a charming in-town neighborhood, knowing the latest numbers will help you plan your next move with confidence. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, here with your Santa Ynez market update. This week, the median list price for single-family homes is $3,895,000. The market action index is holding at 25, which means we're in a slight buyer's advantage, the same as last month. Inventory has increased to 49 homes, giving buyers more options than they've had in recent weeks. The median price of new listings is $5,850,000, and the average price per square foot is $1,245. Homes are spending an average of 190 days on the market, with the median at 98 days. That's a wide gap, and it shows that homes priced and marketed strategically can sell much faster than the average. Right now, 39% of homes have seen a price reduction, which means many sellers are adjusting to current market demand. 0% have increased their asking price, which tells us buyers remain price sensitive. Only 6% of properties are being relisted, a relatively low number compared to other markets, suggesting that many transactions are closing successfully once a buyer is found. The median rent in Santa Ynez is $10,000 per month, which can encourage some renters to explore buying, especially in this unique luxury and equestrian-driven market. If buyer demand continues to strengthen while inventory holds steady, we could see the market shift toward a more balanced position later this year. So now is a great time to evaluate your selling strategy. Even in a slight buyer's market, the right preparation, presentation, and marketing can position your property to sell for an exceptional price. If you'd like to know exactly what your home could sell for in today's market, contact me directly in the Santa Barbara area at 805-450-6006. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, serving Santa Ynez, Los Olivos, Los Alamos, and all of Santa Barbara County. Let's make your next move the right one.